what time it is when your boy walks through this door. Time to review another big ass shoe. What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Squat, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast, saying yo! Today's unboxing comes courtesy of this young lady right here. Now, she hit me up and was like, hey, yo, I want to go cop this shoe at Squatch and they only had a size 15 left. I'm like, oh yeah? Let me go check it out. So I was like, yo, which one is it? So she sent me this video right here.
Don't stop now.
So I was like, oh. Now, anybody that knows me knows that Air Maxes are my favorite. Like if they said Squatch, you can only wear one Air Max for the duration, that would be tough because it would be either a 95, a 90, or a 1. Ooh, the tough one. But anyway, without further ado, let me just show you. Today, your boy, this thing came through. The Air Max 90. Now, yeah, this was on sale on Nike's 25% off. So I actually think I got this for $67, $68. Yo, now the Air Max 90 is one of the, in my opinion, is such an underrated shoe. What I like about this sneaker is, like I said, you can dress up, dress down. You can wear this with some shorts, some cargos, some khakis, whatever you want. I freaking love this shoe. You already know how your boy feel once we cop it in the size 15. Now, I'm excited that I copped it in the size 15. I want to say thank you, Miss April. I don't know how the shoe hater gonna feel about this when she see this video. Yeah, but we ain't gonna worry about that. But I'll show y'all how this thing look on foot. Air Max 90. It's your boy Squatch. All you gotta do is follow me